6 students have joined. Okay. Morning Abhin, morning Kalpana, morning Radhika, Vishnu. Okay. So we will start, right? Okay. So I hope all of you have solved the previous year JEE means of waves. Okay. So we'll start with the discussion of JEE means waves. Please let me know the doubts that you have. Okay, between 1 to 5. Any doubts between 1 to 5? Tell me, everyone. Okay, question number 5. So let's see. When the temperature increases, the frequency of tuning fork, right? Question number 5. Now, I hope all of you remember. I hope all of you remember the formula. Now, when you talk about frequency, okay, right? So frequency is proportional to what? Tell me. If you remember, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about general formula of frequency. General formula of frequency is what? Tell me. N by 2L root T by mu or some variable y by something or b by something. That's a general formula. I'm talking about the general formula, right? Yes or no? Okay. Now, as temperature increases, what will happen to this length? What will happen to this length? Tell me. Increases, right? And if length will increase, what will happen to frequency? Got it? Got it, Manoj? Okay. This is a general formula, right? Okay, I'm not even using the modified formula for tuning fork. Okay, I'm just using the general formula. Okay, next. Next, 1 to 5. Any other doubts? Kalpana, Abhin, Harsha, Radhika, Uday. Okay, then till question number 10, 6 to 10. 6 to 10. Any doubts? Between 6 to 10? Tell me, guys, any doubts between 6 to 10? No? Yes? Manoj? Vishnu? Swamik is not here. Uday? Radhika? Till question number 10? Okay. So no doubt, I guess. Question number 10. Anyone have doubt in question number 10? Anyone have doubt in question number 10? No, right? All of you know the beat frequency is equal to F1 minus F2. Okay. Then till question number 15. Any doubt? Till question number 15? 11 to 15. 11 to 15. Now, question number 11. Right? Question number 11. Based on, tell me, based on Doppler's effect, I hope all of you remember F is equal to F naught bracket, right? Now this you can convert with, yes. So see here, observer moves on stationary source. So it is V plus V naught by V. Yes or no? Right? Got it? Yes, I hope all of you can relate observer in numerator, source in denominator. Okay, right? Okay. Then question number 12, same. 11, 12 almost same here, right? Stationary person, observer is stationary, and tell me, velocity of sound is given. Person can hear frequency up to maximum this. The maximum value of V up to which he can hear the whistle is. Right now, in this case, source is moving, yes or no? Okay, you have to find that. Okay, now question number 13 to, I'll just discuss each and every question. Since you guys are not asking, I'll just discuss each and every question, okay? Right, which I think that is of good concepts. Others you can just solve, or I'll just discuss the concepts. Now 13, a string is stretched between fixed points separated by this centimeter. Okay, so length is given, right? Tell me. It is observed to have resonance frequency, okay? This and this, okay. There are no other resonance frequencies between these two. Then the lowest resonance frequency of the string is question number 13. Now, fixed between points. Fixed between points means I can say that frequency is given by NV by 2L, right? As simple as that. I'll start with very basic. Okay. Now, it is said that the resonance frequency is this and this. Okay. Now, if you observe, okay, it is separated by 75 centimeter, right? So, can I say that? Suppose F1 is this, right? F2 is, tell me what? Tell me, N plus 1 V by 12, right? Okay, two frequencies are given. So what we have to do? Tell me. We have to divide each of them and we will get n value of n. Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no. Okay, now after getting the value of n, right, lowest frequency will be just V by 2L. So divide this or this by either n or n plus 1. You will get the answer, right? So 13. Okay, so most of you might have doubt on 13, but you haven't solved. That's why you're not asking. Okay, next 14. 14. So a sound absorber attenuates the sound level by 20 dB. Attenuates again, right? Decreases. So I hope all of you remember we have solved this kind of problem, right? It was 100 answer. We have solved it, right? Okay. Right? Exactly. Okay. Till question number 20. Till question number 20. Till 20. Question number 18, guys. Question number 18. Anyone have doubt in question number 18? Tell me. Radhika, Manoj, Irfan, Sinchana, Somik, Varsha, 18, doubt in 18. So this is a concept related with Doppler effect, right? Along with kinematics. Okay. So motor starts from a rest and accelerates around straight line. Okay. Speed is given. Okay. Right. It is speed is acceleration is given. Sorry, acceleration is given at the starting point of the motor, right? Stationary electric siren. Okay. How far has the motorcycle gone when the driver hears the frequency of the sign at 94% of its value when the motorcycle was at rest. Okay, now think about it. It is given that f dash is equal to 0.94 of f, right? Okay, and it is saying that it is decreasing, right? Okay, so I can say that the observer is moving away. The observer is moving away, right? Got it? Right? Now u is given, a is given. We can calculate v. Yes or no? In terms of s, because you're asked to find what? How far, right? How far? Okay, right? So we have to calculate u, v in terms of s, then put it in the equation. Which equation? F dash is equal to f naught bracket v minus v observer by v, where this v is velocity of sound, right? And this v naught is from this equation, which will be what? Tell me. Since u is 0, a is given as 2, v square is equal to what? 2 into s means 2 root s. Okay, sorry, v is equal to 2 root s. Put it, we will get the value of s. Okay, right. Now, anyone have any doubt in question number 19? Have we discussed this? Because like I I'm remembering that some of questions are already discussed, right? Yeah, you had asked, right? Okay. So, yes. So Vishnu has asked these questions. So question number 20 also he asked. So we have discussed question number 20 also, right? This one. Now till question number 26. Any other doubts till question number 26? Any other doubts till question number 26? Tell me, guys. Harsha, any doubts? 21. A cylindrical tube open at both ends. So open at both ends. Okay. So if it is open at both end, then formula of F will be NV by 2L, right? The tube is dipped in vertically in water so that half of it's in water. Then if it is in water, then it is basically one end closed, right? One end closed. Yes or no? Right? Then F will be, right, NV by 4L dash. Okay. Now this L dash is half of this whole L. So can you compare this? Tell me, can you compare? Yes or no? Okay. Yes. Next. Any doubt? If not, then we'll see the objective problems of advanced. Harsha? Varsha? No doubts? Okay, let's see the objective problems of advanced. Okay. Harsha, doubts? Have you solved? Okay. So I'll just discuss the concept of each question. Okay, everyone, I'll just discuss the concept of each question. Then I'll discuss the doubts of Harsha in detail. Okay. Okay, so question number, I'll just, okay, or better try, I'll keep one class, doesn't matter, right? But unless until you try, you won't be solving this. So a wave disturbance medium is described by this, okay, where x and y is in meter. Now think about it, think about it. This is just like a standing wave, now. Yes or no? This is not a traveling wave kind of thing, or even if it's like the equation of standing wave. Yes. Tell me, guys. Okay. Now we know that whenever it is it is like a, yeah, whenever it is like a standing wave, this, right, even though it is written later, right, this is your 0.02 into cos 10 pi x is your what? Amplitude, yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Okay, so when amplitude is 0, when this is 0, because it is cos kx, na, right? Okay, okay, Harsh, I'll check. So the node occurs at this. So node will occur when it is 0. Okay, right? So I can say that this 10 pi x is equal to 0, which means, right, pi by 2. Okay, so from here I can find the value of x. Yes or no? Tell me. See, it is n pi by n plus 1 pi by 2, right? That's what you're saying, right? Anna. Now, if you take n plus 1 pi by 2, right? So it will be what? So you're saying that this should also be the answer, right? For 3, yeah, for third n is equal to 2. Okay. That's a point, right? Because when you talk about node, right, it is not mentioned that what is this frequency, it is fundamental frequency or what. Okay, now the only thing that you have to worry is, see, what is the maximum amplitude, right? Maximum amplitude would be this 0.02. Okay, think about it, yes or no? ए भी हो सकता है, because it's like ए तो हो ही सकता है, ठीक है? I don't know why they have not given it. Okay, because it is 2n plus 1 pi by 2, na? Unless until they have taken fundamental, right, which it is not mentioned. Okay, okay, Harsha. If they would have mentioned fundamental, then तो ठीक है, A हो जाएगा. Right, sorry, A नहीं होगा, because again it's for n is equal to 2, right? But it's not mentioned over here. Okay, ठीक है. Next, tell me. Next doubt. Question number 5. Guys, question number 5. I hope all of you understood the concept, right? At least the problem what is asked. So you have told that the extension of the ring is increased by 1.5x, right? Means delta L dash by delta L is equal to 1.5. Okay, and you are asked to find the speed of the sound, right? So if you relate with this with the concept of stress is equal to y into strain, right? Okay, so basically force is directly proportional to delta L, right? So F dash by F is equal to delta L dash by delta L. Now when you talk about the velocity of sound, it is what? Root T by mu, where T is the force only, na? So can I say that V dash by V is equal to root, tell me, root T dash by T? Yes, right? And T dash by T is basically delta L by L, which is 1.5. So it is root 1.5 into V dash is equal to, got it? Okay. Okay, next, till question number 10. Till question number 10. Till question number 10, any doubts? Harsha? Till question number 10? No? Or you have not solved? You have solved, right? So just tell me your doubts. What are the doubts that you guys have? Okay, not completely solved. See, unless until you guys solve, right, I cannot. Okay, 14th. A sonometer wire resonates with a given tuning fork, forming standing wave with 5 antinodes between the two bridges when mass of 9 kg is suspended from the wire. Okay, when this mass is replaced by mass m, the wire resonates with the same tuning fork, forming 3 antinodes in the same position of the bridge. The value of m is, okay. Now what's the formula? Tell me, what's the formula? We know that frequency is equal to n by 2l root, tell me, T by mu, yes or no? Okay, so here a sonometer wire resonates with a given tuning fork, forming standing wave with 5 antinodes between the two bridges. So n is equal to 5. In first case, n is equal to 5. Okay, right? Mass 9 kg. So mass is here, it is 9g. So I can say that F1 is equal to 5 by 2L root 9g by mu. Okay, root 9g by mu. Got it? Now, when this mass is replaced by mass m, now it is replaced by mass m. The wire resonates with same frequency. So it is a basic formula, na? Right? Now, same frequency, but with 3 antinodes. So it will be 3 by 2L root mass replaced, so mg by mu. Got it? Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Just formula putting getting, solve it, you'll get the answer. Sorry, I was disconnected. Any other doubts? Any other doubts?